Nikikuru, nothing in this world is sweeter than giving.
Yeah.
And tonight, I pin you with this rotary pin and say, go out there, serve, give your time, give what you treasure.
Ebi nibijeho bwa nyuma ya Rotary Club of Bushenyi okweteraho mutemo gwe sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 20 abo mwaka 2025 ezirabe nizo mu kitongole kya Rotary Club omwihanga lyona. Ekya Rotary Club omwihanga lyona nikigenderera cyo kuma eby'obuhangwa okurwanisa obulwire bwa polio ebigwererezi n'okuleeta obusinge omwihanga hamwe n'okuheereza abarikwetaaga obuyambi.
When we give, we don't know the beneficiaries. We don't know whether my donation will end up in Venezuela, Colombia, Brazil, South Africa, or even Kenya. But we expect that our giving and donation is going to create a smile to someone in this world.
I want to encourage. I know you're the converted ones, otherwise you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't join Notary if we were not givers. But give. Give as much as you can.
Major Donna Kobusinje obira ry'umugenyi mukuru agambire ba memba ba Rotary Club of Bushenyi ngo kuhereza tukwetaga sente nyingi nuko kubegesa imwaha miringo eyo muntu yakubasa kuhereza mu China omukwatira habandi.
When we talk of giving, people ask how much. It's not about money. Tonight we have all given. By us spending our time and coming to be here, we have given.
And there are so many ways we can give. The first one I talked about, which is mandatory this year, that in 52 weeks and 365 days, at least create an environment in your pockets and in your wallet to say that at least this $100 is going towards the Rotary Foundation.
Minister wa local government Rafael Majezi kandi ori member wa Rotary Club asimire mukuru w'ihanga ahabo kugira umutima murungi go kuhereza aho empunji nyamwingi ziri kwiyekanjira mu ihanga ritu ya Uganda.
I'm a professional local person. Trained in the University of Uganda by one of the best professors in giving, Professor Kaguta Museveni. He has turned Uganda into one of the most generous countries you can find in the world.
We started a vigorous campaign where we are meant to raise as Rotarians in 1 year $500 million. Wow. But because we lost over 200,000 Rotarians, either because of death and what I called fake Rotarians who don't pay dues in their clubs and then they leave, we raised 417.7 during that year.
Idi Hassan Basaja Baraba, we are member wa Rotary Club, chire miringo itandikiriho kuhereza mu nkobiyambi na mnonga habanyabushenyi ombyamagara.
It was very important for me to run to Rotary Club because of the community work, protecting the environment and community work as well. I've created an account in Kampala International University Teaching Hospital to treat outpatient people in the whole of Bushenyi Shaka municipality for free, with charge on my account every Thursday. As long as you come from Bushenyi Shaka municipality, you have an LC letter.
Rotary Club of Bushenyi egerezeho kureta ebyentungo ko muri Bushenyi ngo kurinda ibyo buhangwa umukubyara emiti kandi bombekere kizimba hishomo ya Kabakama Primary School bakora medical camps okusya abantu ebuhereza kandi nebindi. Aha mukorogo barondene sente eziri kwingana miliyoni 10 gashakwa. Olivia Nasasra abwa Sky Television agenshonga umuru Bushenyi.